Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Why Should I Work with a Bathroom Remodeling Company That Offers 3D Renderings Before Construction? Now, imagine you're planning the bathroom of your dreams, an oasis of relaxation and style. But reality hits like a cold shower when you realize your dream design is being interpreted as abstract art by someone else. Enter the magic of 3D renderings. These wonders of modern design grant you a crystal clear preview of your bathroom, saving you from costly surprises and any heartache that might otherwise ensue. First off, let's talk vision alignment. When it comes to home improvements, having everyone on the same page is vital. With 3D rendering, you're not just explaining ideas, you're visualizing them with the clarity of a high-definition movie. It's like taking your favorite Pinterest board and manifesting it into a tangible snapshot right before your eyes. Everyone involved, from the tiler to the plumber, sees identical goals, so nothing gets lost in translation. Now, how about catching design flaws before they become real-world headaches? I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Spotting potential issues virtually ensures walls aren't moved after installation, and countertops aren't mysteriously shorter than planned. It's like catching typos before you hit send on that crucial email, saving you more time and cash than a last-minute savior coupon. Speaking of cash flow, 3D renderings can be your budget's best friend. With everything laid out digitally, you gain precise cost estimates, ensuring your remodel doesn't veer off course to light the distant shores of budget bloats. Visualize options within budget, swap materials easily, and keep spending under control, all before a single tile hits the carton. And let's not forget customization. Before you commit to that designer tile, the rendering helps visualize pattern, colors, and textures in harmony with your theme. Do the cool blue accents clash with your vision of warmth? No problem. Revise with precision from your seat without lifting a single sledgehammer. Ultimately, diving into 3D rendering not only boosts confidence that your remodel plan matches the masterpiece in your mind's eye, but also gives the peace of mind knowing your project will unfold just as you intend. A win for nerves, wallet, and creativity alike. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.